I like uDalen James. Behavior yakhe inkhumbuza those high school girls which were immature also that cannot control their emotions. This is Julius Mkhwanazi. Isiphathi lapha e-EMPD lesebesi thula i-testimony yayo lapha in the ad hoc committee. Guys, nangathi nginipha isamari kaJulius Mkhwanazi, ngizabe ngimucha isikhathi sami. Can you please go to my previous video that I posted in 2025 December on the 3rd and 4th of December. The testimony that was presented today by Julius Mkhwanazi, it's a copy and paste of that summary. I don't want to waste your time because everything that was mentioned today and even my question is the same testimony I presented lapha kuMadlanga Commission of Inquiry. So asivaleni Julius Mkhwanazi, he finished, he's done. Tomorrow there's no day 2. So guys, the chairperson of the ad hoc committee, Mr. Soviet Likhanyan, as when he's thanking the members lapha in parliament, he must also thank us, this gentleman. So guys, by the look of things, Paul O'Sullivan, he's not coming to the ad hoc committee because Mr. Soviet, he said they will look for alternate date. And as well as next week, Tuesday and Wednesday, Paul O'Sullivan was supposed to appear in the ad hoc committee, but they will do other activities as because this ad hoc committee must be finished by February. So Paul O'Sullivan is not coming to ad hoc committee. So I think on Thursday and Friday it's gonna be obviously Brown Mohots. So follow for more, like, comment, and repost.